Let us see the next topic, which is codes and its classification. First, let us see what is the definition of a code. So it represents group of symbols which can be either letters or numbers or a combination. So the entire group of symbols represent what is called as code. Moving on into the classification, first we have weighted codes. Example is binary 8421. So 8421 technique is the normal thing which we use. So any number can be represented in the values corresponding to 8421. So if 1001 in the sense the one value is under 8, which means 8 plus 1 will be 9, which is represented in 8421 technique. So 8421, under 8 and 1 we have the values as 1. So adding on that we will get the value as 9. Next is non-weighted codes. So here we don't have any positional weights like in the previous case. Example, XS3. So in 8421 and XS3, the difference is about the positional weights. Next classification is reflective codes, which is 2421 or XS3. So this reflecting codes is also called a self-complementing code. That is, if you write the value in 2421 technique, you will have a mirror image like the pattern which is shown here. So for 21, so for example it is 4 zeros for 0, and for 9 it is 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 4 ones. So that is for 9. So having a look at 0 and 9, replacing zeros with ones, we will get the other value, which is 4 ones. And on vice versa, it is same for the other thing. If we complement 1, we will get 4 zeros. Similarly, for 1, we will have the code complemented as 8, for 3 as 7, 3 as 6, 4 as 5. So this is why it is called a self-complementing code. Next is sequential codes. Example 8421 and XS3 code. So in this code, each code is one higher than the previous codes. That is, the values will be like one higher than the previous bit. Next is alphanumeric code, which is ASCII code, American Standard Code for information interchange. Last is error detecting and correcting codes. Example, Hamming codes. So these are the different types of codes and its classifications.